What is this?
Hey everybody, it's STEMMA Sunday, and I took the classic APDS 9960 proximity color gesture sensor, and I made a cute little STEMMA breakout board for it that's so cute, so you can plug and play it, no soldering required. And also over the weekend, Carter and I finished up support for the MCP2221. This is like a $1.25 USB to I2C converter. So you can see this is connected to my computer via USB-C cable, and I plugged in an accelerometer and a gesture sensor here. I'm testing, and what's neat is it now works in Move because it's just USB. So this is actually running on my computer, connected through USB to those sensors, and I can press play, and then as I move my hand up and down over the gesture sensor, you see the data is plotting. So what's neat is there's no Arduino or microcontroller involved. It's just directly into my PC. And I can try different sensors. So here's a demo with the accelerometer. And again, I move the accelerometer and data is coming into Python directly for plotting and analysis. So I think this is really powerful because you can write all your code and you don't have to deal with a separate microcontroller, especially if you want to do like powerful machine learning or data analysis where you need to have NumPy or something to do that analysis. I think this is pretty neat, and this is a preview of the stuff we're working on. STEMMA Sunday.